Okay, walang gagalaw unless I told you to do so. Ito po, para sa inyong kaalaman for the year 2024, this is the most numbered abay. 23 na pares na abay. Magpalakpakan naman kayo! You made a record on my hosting history. That's why I would like to call on the little boys. Boys, come on, come on. Fall in line. Fall in line. Kung masaya ka dyan, sir, okay lang. Okay, next, the gentlemen. Please follow the boys. Okay, boys, dito lang tayo. Boys. Fall in line here. Gentlemen, please follow. And then arm sideward raise. Itaas nyo lang ng bahagya yung kamay nyo para magkaroon ng spacing. Now the girls, come on girls, please follow me. The little or the junior bridesmaids, please follow me. Then followed by the girls and then the ladies.
Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Come on, dance, jump on it. If you sexed and flown it, if you freaked and own it, don't brag about it. Come show me. Come on, dance, jump on it.
Make sure na may katapat kayong lalaki at babae or magkakatapat kayo. Meron na ba kayong katapat? Find your partner. 1, 2, 3, go! Dapat lahat may kapartner. Stretch lang kayo kahit hindi talaga sila yung real-time partner nyo. Mag-stretch lang po, okay? Thank you so much. Now, okay, spread out, spread out. Let's make way for the bride and groom, okay? Now, this is what you're going to do, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Since we don't have enough space for us to dance, dyan lang muna kayo, okay? And since this is the moment for us to welcome the bride and groom, when I say, raise your hand like a sword, raise your hand. Open hand. Ilabas nyo ang mga kamay nyo. And then, kapag dadaan si bride and groom, haharangan nyo. Iko-cross nyo yung mga kamay like this. Huwag nyong padadaanin si Chris at si Rona na hindi nagkikis. Sarah. Okay ba? Okay ba? Okay, raise your hand. And may I invite everybody to please stand. Tumayo na po tayong lahat. Ladies and gentlemen, with all our love and dedication, with the warmest and biggest round of applause, our newlyweds, the new Mr. and Mrs. Christopher and Ronaline De Vera.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance with me. We were victims of
Palakpakan nyo naman mga abay na nakadaan na sa inyong harapan. Ladies and gentlemen, Chris and Rona, mabuhay ang bagong kasal!
we were born to get together, born to get together. She took my arm.
Let's all remain standing for the opening prayer to be led by Crystalline and A. De Vera. Huwag aalis ang mga abay sa pila. May we call on the little bride, Crystalline and A. De Vera. Manatili po tayong nakatayo ng maayos, may katahimikan para sa pambungad na panalangin na pangungunahan ng kanilang supling na si Crystalline Ann A. De Vera.